Anonymity, the focal point of iGene. How do we ensure this? When you receive your DNA kit, you only need to do 3 things. Install the iGene app, which generates a unique anonymous tube code. Write down this anonymous tube code and affix it to the saliva collection tube. Send the tube back to iGene using the provided return envelope. No one can trace the origin of a received tube, not even iGene. The tube is solely marked with an anonymous tube code. This code grants you access to your DNA profile in the iGene app, and only you know this code. In the unlikely event that a government or insurer manages to access our highly secured database, the DNA profiles would be useless. They are solely individual DNA profiles that cannot be linked to individuals. Because we value your privacy, not only now but also in the future, iGene utilizes an anonymous tube code. This ensures that your data is and remains exclusively yours.